Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to plant some garlic with you guys. This here is garlic from the grocery store. Yes, I have bought some store-bought garlic. Now this will be my first time growing garlic. I planted some around the 15th of October. And this is November the 1st, and I wanted to try to get some more garlic in because I love garlic. And I'm going to show you guys the garlic that I planted on the 15th of October so you guys can see how that looks. But this right here is store-bought garlic. And I try to get the ones that had the biggest bulbs. Some of them aren't so big. I don't know if this is the soft neck garlic or hard neck garlic. I couldn't tell you, but it's delicious. I love this garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and plant this store-bought garlic and see what it produces for me come June, July of next year. Because I believe it takes about, I think about 10 months for it to be right or ready. So, and this is the time to get it in. I am in zone 7B, Southern Virginia. So I'm going to go ahead and get these suckers planted. And so when you plant garlic, they say to plant it with this part right here. Focus camera. This part right here. That goes in the bottom. When you plant it, goes to the bottom like this. So the sprout comes up through here. So I've already prepped my soil, and I'm just going to shove it down in there. And I believe they say you're supposed to do it like 4 inches apart or something like that. I'm just eyeballing it. I don't have those fancy, well, I wouldn't say fancy, but I don't have the rulers out here. And I'm not going to use my hand because to measure, I'm going to go deep because I don't want it to freeze up on me, because I'm doing this in above ground garden bed here that I made out of some wood. And so just shove it down in here. And I got 20 of them here. So I'm going to see if all 20 of these sprout and how my bulbs are going to look come, what is it, June, July? So just shoving them down in there so they get nice. Try to keep them nice and warm for the winter. Alright, so I'm just going to continue planting them down in here. Cover them up real good. So the other ones that I planted, I actually bought those from Amazon. The other garlic seeds, garlic cloves. I guess that's what you call them. I'm not sure. But those ones have already sprouted. So as soon as I finish up with this, I'll show you guys those. So we got about half of them down so far. Alright, so I've got them planted, and I am going to give them some of this blend of organic natural ingredients. Revives the soil and helps to promote plants to thrive. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little of this down here because they got a long winter to go through, and I want to make sure I have them prepped and set to go, because these are one of those crops you kind of set and forget, but you still want to water them regularly, I guess you would say. Yeah, you still want to water them to get them going, but you don't want to overwater them either. So just, and oh, and I'm also putting down a little eco-friendly earthworm castings. So, and you guys check out your Tractor Supply, because this is the time of year when you can catch this stuff on sale. Because look at this price I got this for. It was $12.99. Got it for $5.29. Oh, I would have got more if they had it, but they only had that one, and they had, I think, 2 or 3 bags of the earthworm castings. So make sure you check out your Tractor Supply. All right, so I'm going to water this in, and I'm going to put some hay. Yeah, or straw. Yeah, straw. I'm sorry, straw. I keep getting them confused. Straw. I'm going to put some straw down over this. And I'm going to go ahead and water it in and see what it does for me. So this is the store-bought garlic. And I'm excited. I can't wait to see what it does. Okay, so here we are at the garlic that I planted on October the 15th. And as you can see, it is coming along, coming along. I am very happy with this, you guys. I am so excited. Can't wait till next summer so I can see what I got. These here are the California soft neck white bulb garlic. So, and I also planted a couple of the store-bought in here as well, and I have 30 of them planted in this bed. All have came up, but let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All but 4 have came up in this bed, because I don't know if you guys can see, but where is it? Right here is another one coming up. So I have all but 4 that haven't came up yet, but this has grown since October the 15th. And of course, when the frost gets here and when it gets downright chilly here in Southern Virginia, I believe this stuff here is supposed to die back, but then come back in the spring. I think that's how it works. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys my garlic I got going on. So I'm curious to see how this stuff is going to turn out, and I hope you guys stay tuned so you all can see the results as well. And thank you all for watching. Until next time.